If you want to know how to make the best possible cup of coffee, keep on watching this video. This is the Black & Decker 12-cup coffee maker with Vortex technology. And you see on my right here, I have also a Black & Decker coffee maker, but this is with the standard technology, so it is before they released the Vortex technology. I'm gonna show you the difference between the Vortex and the standard technology, and also I'm gonna show you what comes in the box and how to assemble the machine. We'll be testing it. But most importantly, I'm gonna show you how to make the best possible cup of coffee using this machine. So let's start first by showing you what's in the box. Let's open the box. So this is everything you get in the box. You have a user manual, you have the coffee maker. Inside of the coffee maker, you open the lid like this, and this is where you're gonna put the filter to make your coffee. This is where you pour water. And this is a 12-cup water tank. I want to show you now the difference between the Vortex technology and the standard technology. And the difference is in the head that distributes the water for the coffee. See, this is the standard technology, and this is the Vortex. So the Vortex has these holes that can release water that are better dispersed than the holes that are in the standard coffee maker. So the standard coffee maker, when the water goes down, it goes here and it goes in the center, and it might not touch all the coffee, but this one here will make sure that the water will go on all the coffee that is in the coffee holder. Before first use, you need of course to clean the coffee maker. So all the parts that can be removed, you should clean them. This can be removed. So this is the lid for the water tank, and this also can be removed. So I clean them, and you need to make one pot of coffee on empty so that to clean the insides from any chemical residue from the manufacturing process. So fill it up and then turn it on empty. So this is how you turn it on, and wait for it to finish. Rinse it once again, and then you can make your first cup of coffee. So now let me show you how to make the best possible cup of coffee. You need of course the paper filters for the coffee maker. So you put the paper filter in the bin here, and then here I'm gonna fill up the coffee maker to 4 cups only. So let's fill it up. And here it is full for 4 cups. And the first thing you need to know is how to measure the coffee. So this is a premium coffee that I have. And for each 2 measures of water, you need 1 teaspoon of coffee, like fill it up to the max, like this. So this is for 2 measures, and this is here for 4 measures. So this is the coffee inside the filter. And one thing you should know about this machine is that it has a technology called sneaker cup. What does sneaker cup mean? It means that you see this pin here on the bottom of this bin. It is actuated like that. So it is actuated by this bump on the lid of the water tank. And when it is actuated, the water goes down. So this is the key to making the best possible cup of coffee. And I'm gonna show you how to use it to do this. So now close the machine and turn it on. And as soon as the water starts dripping, remove the water tank. And this way, the machine will hold the water here. And this permits you to have a stronger cup of coffee with more flavor, because the water is gonna cover the whole coffee that is in the bin here. And do this only for the first 30 seconds. So now we're approximately at 20 seconds. And I'm gonna show you what's happening. So you see how the water now covered the coffee. So this is enough. Now put the water tank back in, and now the coffee drips, and you have a better tasting coffee this way. So now the machine finished making the coffee. Let's taste it. And it is really good. Let me know in the comments below how you like your coffee. I drink my coffee always black. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to check out this machine from Black & Decker, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.